How's the week looking, Sabrina?
Good evening, Nick. Well, I'd say day to day, not really much in the way of change actually through much of the week ahead, as high pressure is very much in charge. So we've seen another day today where most of us have just seen clear blue skies, barely a cloud in sight. But we do have some changes coming up towards the end of the week. But in the coming days, this is what we have in store. So lots of dry, sunny conditions, but we will see big contrast day to night. So I think there will be some chilly mornings, the chance for a touch of frost. So gardeners and growers in particular, take note. Last week, you probably noticed quite a nagging breeze, whereas this week, lighter wind. So in that afternoon sunshine, it should feel a little bit warmer. And here's the pressure charts then over the next few days. But firstly, I'll just talk about the UV index. So we do have moderate levels over the coming days where protection is recommended, but also pollen levels are very high. So that's for both birch and ash. So here's our pressure pattern today. Then we're stuck in this omega block where you have low pressure to our west and east. We're stuck under this high pressure system, and it's called an omega block because of the Greek-shaped letter that you can see. So this is really what we have in store over the coming days. By the time we get to next Monday, low pressure back in the driving seat, and that's going to allow for quite some big changes. So this evening then, some late sunshine in store, and then overnight more in the way of long clear skies. As those winds fall light, some patchy mist and fog will tend to develop. It will be quite a cold night too, especially for some inland areas. There will be the chance of a touch of frost. Rurally, we could drop just below freezing, but always that bit milder along the west coast. Tomorrow then, after that chilly start, any early mist and fog will readily lift, and then we're left with a nice day once again, so plenty in the way of sunshine. Some patchy cumulus fair weather cloud will tend to bubble up tomorrow afternoon, and then we'll see temperatures quite similar to today's values, getting up to around 14 to 17 Celsius. That comes with mostly gentle breezes. The middle part of the week then, high pressure still in charge. That just wobbles around, a slight change in the wind direction. So more of a northeasterly airflow, but again, it's not too significant in strength through this week. And we'll see plenty more in the way of spring sunshine, dry conditions once again, and temperatures a shade higher. So in a few spots, probably getting up to around 18 Celsius. Thursday morning, we'll probably start the day with a bit more cloud, but then growing amounts of sunshine once again. Friday, any early mist or fog will clear, and then another fine day in store. Saturday at the moment here in Wales looks to be the warmest day of the week. But then by the time we get to Sunday into next week, you can see we've got rain chances returning to the forecast, and those temperatures falling a bit closer to average. That's your very latest. Nick.
Sabrina, thank you.